So first of all, as you can see here, we have our fast charging wall brick, and I'm just going to zoom in and let you guys, hopefully my older phone will focus here so you guys can see the specifications on the back. It is fast charging. Alright, so next we got our headset, not sets. This is the older headset, and I'm not really going to use this because you can see this does not have gel point, and it hurts a lot when you put this in your ear. But I'm always happy to see manufacturer include headphones for you to use. You don't see a lot of these. Okay. Alright, and last but not least, you can see we got the USB Type-C cable. You can see this right here. It's equipped for fast charging and data sync. Alright, so let's put that off to the side. So now let's get back to the phone. Alrighty, so I got the phone right here. Ain't she a beauty? And we're just going to go ahead and take a look at the side. As you can see here, we got the power button and the volume rocker. On the back, we got the 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel cameras plus a flash, your fingerprint sensor, Nokia branding name, Android 1. And the other side here, we have our SIM and micro SD card slot. In the front, we got the notch. I know a lot of people don't like the notch, but that's perfectly fine. We got our 8 megapixel camera, our microphone. If we look at the top, we got our 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, our microphone. And at the bottom, we got our antennas, and USB Type-C port, and also our speaker. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this unwrapped, and we'll go ahead and take it on a spin. Alrighty, here it is, guys, without the plastic covering, so I can just give you guys a better angle and viewing details, basically. Like I said before, we got the notch, the Nokia name at the bottom, and show you guys the side here, so you can see we got a better viewing angle. The back is glass, by the way, so I'm going to get a case for this as soon as possible because I don't want it to break. Now, just to let you guys know that this is not dust or water resistant. I believe it is splash resistant, but not 100% certain though. Okay, and I don't think I'm going to test that out, to be honest with you guys, because this phone does cost a pretty penny by my standards. About $299 right now. Original price was $350. So I think that's a good deal. So let's go ahead and power this bad boy on, shall we? Alrighty, so let's go ahead and boot this up for the first time. And I believe the power button is, let's see, up right here. There we go, Android 1. Just gotta wait for this to boot up. We got the Nokia name. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get through the setup process. Alright, so we're gonna click on, first of all, we are definitely not in the United Kingdom. Let's go, well, actually it just changed, so let's go ahead and make sure that we got the United States selected here. Let's see, United, there we go, click on let's go. Alright, so as of right now, I don't have my SIM card inserted, so we're just going to skip over this right now. Let's see, transfer apps, mobile apps, phone, music, and more. Let's see. Let's go ahead and set up as you. Okay. And I have my apps on my other phone. I'm going to go ahead and get those installed later. Okay. So set up as new. Alright, so connect to Wi-Fi. I'm going to go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi. Give me 1 second. Alrighty, so right now we are connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Let's see, just a sec. Depending on the connection here, it should, by my standards, connect in a few moments. Checking for updates. Okay. Alright, so it wants to sign into the Google account. So just a second.